How to use Copilot in Teams. So Teams by Microsoft 365, it have the free version actually, but into the pro version, you have access to all the different app and integrations that they offer, mainly their Copilot, which is basically their AI. You can actually activate Copilot by pressing the Windows button plus C like this. I have activated Copilot, but it's not activated directly into the Teams. So here I can give in prompts and tell Copilot to basically look into the older chats or catch up from the older chats in certain communities. Let's just say I have this community right here, and I haven't quite gone through the text messages and welcoming messages and the certain type of events that are going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply create and type in a prompt that says, give me the basic highlight of the past 7 days. So Copilot is going to help me out with that and basically just do that. But in case you have the paid version, pro version of Teams, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead on apps, which is something that's going to show up right here. Let me show you quickly, just like this in an interface. And from here, you're going to simply search and locate the Copilot and seamlessly use it as it is already integrated into Teams directly without having to enter in or look up Copilot separately. So guys, this is it for this video. That's how you can use and integrate Copilot into Teams.